I've been feeling real lonely with the company I got.
Okay, this video is gonna be about me just putting together my mount. Seeing how fast and see how long it's gonna take. So let's put on a timer. Woo, baby girl, that's a triple. One of my monitors does not have a VESA mount, like the hose on the back of it. It's an older monitor that I had, cost about $100, about like 4 maybe 5 years ago. So I bought this adapter bracket assembly. This is the mount that I bought, super cheap mount from Amazon, about $26 plus like a 10% or 6% discount. Sorry for the lens, you know, adjusting. But yeah, let's get to it. Okay, step 1 is to install this, which is number C, to this, the pole, which is the pole is A, this is C, using F, which is the screws, and you just install it, like you attach them together. Now you're gonna want to take this, which is B, and attach it to this, which is C. And you're just gonna get the screws, attach it, boop. Using G. They said there's 3 levels on here, depending on the thickness of your desk, so choose which one you're gonna need.
God.
I attached this piece. I attached this piece just by screwing the back end, like just screwing it, and it tightens up. So really simple. 28 minutes. What I'm installing is this is a 27-inch monitor, and the VESA mount is 100 by 100, I guess. This Amazon thing, this mount goes up to 75 and 100. So your monitor, when you'll know which monitor it says. Like, you look through the specs and they'll tell you if your monitor's VESA mount, if you can mount it with VESA mount or not, and if you can, they'll tell you like what millimeters or what size you can use. This can go up to I think it goes up to 27-inch, which is the max like capacity, like the max length it can support, and 22 pounds is the heaviest it can support on each arm. So yeah. Installed on the back. Sorry for the lighting. Sorry about that. There it goes. The VESA mount right there. I'll grab this is right here. You just slide it off. I'm gonna drop the monitor. It does not want to budge. Whew. That's okay, here comes the more difficult part, I'll say. So you're gonna put this. You gotta watch out for the I/O here, you know, the input and output. Literally. Yeah, an hour and 17 minutes has passed. Please don't follow me. And I'm still not done. The reason being because this monstrosity here takes a really long time. It's not at all fun to do this at all. This would take me like 30 minutes, 30 to 35 minutes if I didn't have to tinker with this feeble old machine. I should have just bought a new monitor, honestly. Should have bought a new monitor. Oh, it took forever. And it looked ghetto as hell. That's how it's done. Oh my goodness. Okay, so quick tips. It's supposed to be underneath. Do not do it on top. Otherwise, if your mount slides on like mine does, you're gonna have to, redo it because it won't be able to slide on to the monitor mount up there. What else? Do not, like I was doing in the beginning, do not cap off these because you're gonna have to change out screws. They give you different size screws depending. Hello, they give you different size screws depending on the size of the angle, like the angle. So I use like smaller screws up here and thicker screws. I mean longer screws for the bottom. So yeah, those are my quick tips about if your monitor doesn't have a VESA mount. Okay, so basically this is how it's looking. Looks like that. Looks much better in my opinion. I might flip this horizontal, this monitor, but I'm not really sure. But yeah, this is how it's looking. Looking pretty dope in my opinion. I still haven't plugged in all the cables and all that, but I'll show you when it's on. Yeah, it's not looking too bad. It's not looking too bad in my opinion. Pretty cool. This is how it's set up. Looks, finish it up, and it doesn't look bad. It took me a good hour and 40 minutes because of this monitor. This monitor here, but yeah, it's fine now. It looks pretty dope now. I like it. But yeah, thanks for watching. Appreciate it. Like and subscribe. On the side, Fortnite, some other games, spell break sometimes, and yeah, I'm just gonna be uploading the clips that I have. But yeah, thanks for watching. Appreciate it. Like and subscribe and all that good stuff. Yeah, peace out. I'm out of here. Peace out. Peace out.
I've been feeling lonely with the company I got. Hey, all these drugs they help us out. Hey, I've been feeling real lonely with the company I got. Hey.